watched some of your videos and saw that you say the Upwork and Fiverr are shit freelance platforms, but I haven't seen any recommendations on what are the best ones. The best ones are growing your own Twitter account or Instagram account and leveraging that to reach out to people. Don't let other guys, other clients be gatekeepers over how much money you can make. You can command as much money as you want into your own reality by building a Twitter account or an Instagram account or a LinkedIn account or a TikTok account or a YouTube account, whatever it is you want to do, and then start reaching out to people that way. It's really that simple. So take the power into your own hands by creating your own brand, leveraging that brand and the proof of concept to start reaching out to clients directly. Fiverr and Upwork are great as far as hiring other people for hardly anything. Like if I need a job done, it's going to take me, I don't know, a couple hours, but I know somebody else could do it in probably an hour, and I'm going to pay them like $5 or $10. That I go to Fiverr. Every single time I go to Fiverr. So you're competing with people that are willing to work way more for way less, but you can come in and provide better quality and then charge more, but only if you have an actual brand. So take time to build a Twitter or a LinkedIn or any social media account. I speak about Twitter because that's where I got my first start, but any of you can choose Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, anything you want, and start putting time into building that account, leverage that proof of concept, start closing clients. It's really that simple.